to print these off. Make sure to print them off so you can track your business throughout the year. You know what the incentives are. So what qualifies as a new group? This has changed, slightly changed. So as employer-employee relationship, that means a W-2, not a 1099. On the payroll deduction side, if the company or groups takes the membership from their paycheck, it's considered payroll deduction. So that means it just comes out of the paycheck every week, every 2 weeks, whatever pay period. The company is then invoiced by LegalShield once a month, and now the company just pays that bill for LegalShield. So what does it take to open a group? Whether it's payroll or bank draft, it just takes only one membership to open a group. Now keep in mind that the company must have a certain amount of employees. So you cannot just open up a group with one employee, a company with just one employee. Qualified new groups for incentives purposes. That means a qualified new group, I call it bona fide. That means it has to have at least 3 new members with $100 in premium. Keep in mind in the past that was $150. Now it's 3 new members with $100 in premium for payroll deduction. On the bank draft side, same relationship, right? It has to be a W-2 employee, cannot be a 1099. This is where the employees pay for it out of their own personal banking, checking, credit card accounts each and every month. So they pay for it, bank draft, or you hear direct pay. One membership to open that group. And again, the qualified group for bank draft is 3 new members with $150 in premium. So the premium is higher, $50 higher than the payroll deduction, but these are the 2 requirements. So you know, especially if you're working with a field trainer, how many employees the companies have and how many membership you need to make that a qualified group. Keep in mind, it only takes 1 membership to open that group because you may get a chance to just speak to that decision maker or that HR person and then come back in next week to actually sign up the rest of the employees. So with that in mind, organizational groups, we call them sister groups or elite groups. They do not qualify as sister groups that are qualified groups. That means if you go in and work with a company, the company has multiple locations, you go in, you open up the group, you get a qualified group, and then you go into another location that's attached to that same company. That's what we call a link group or sister group. So that will not count as a separate group. Okay, LegalShield and IDShield dual memberships count as one membership. So when you do sign up an individual, Brad Walker as an employee, they sign up for the LegalShield and IDShield dual membership. That count as one membership. So you still would need 2 more members to sign up in any one of these categories.